Hi friends, welcome to my channel Jarvis Universe. Today we will learn about controlling humidity and temperature sensor using Arduino. Here we have our temperature and humidity sensor. We will be using the one on the left with 10 kilo ohm resistor. So the leftmost pin is signal, the middle pin is 5 volts and the right pin is ground. So this is all we need: a breadboard to hook up the circuit, Arduino board and the temperature humidity sensor. Let's have a closer look on the temperature and humidity sensor. So you can see, as you saw in the picture, that there are 4 terminals to it, which are hooked to a 10 kilo ohm resistor to make a voltage divider. Let's hook it up to the breadboard and we should start making our connections. So first we will provide 5 volts to the sensor by Arduino board. We will connect 5 volts and ground to the respective terminals of the sensor. Then we will connect signal pin of the sensor to the Arduino board, which is analog pin A0. So this is all. We have made our connections to the Arduino board. Now we can go ahead and start writing the code. So let's move to our computer screen and start writing our code. So here I am using the library for this particular sensor, which is DHT11. I will provide the link for this library in the description below. So once we have defined the library, we will define the signal pin of the DHT11, which is A0, analog 0 pin of the Arduino board. You can connect it to any analog terminal, but you have to define it here. We will initiate our sensor. Then let's move to the setup, where we will define our baud rate, which is, we will use the usual 9600. So we will write serial.begin 9600 in parentheses. Then we will provide some time delay to boot. Now where it will show the temperature, it should show the text DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor. So we will write the command for that. Here I have written \n and \n to provide 2 lines of gap in between. So I will mention this in the comments to avoid any confusion. You can find the same code in description. I have mentioned all the comments. Then we will provide some delay, that is wait before accessing the sensor. So here our void setup is complete. Now we can move to void loop and start writing the code for the execution. First we will make our library read the DHT pin, which is A0, analog 0. Then we will print the command for current humidity, and as it will be in percentage, so it will read the command from library dht.humidity and then print it with percentage as a suffix. Then same we will write the code for temperature. It will print temperature and take the temperature from library command and print the temperature in Celsius. Once we are done, we can provide the delay for 5 seconds and we can end the loop. So let's go ahead and verify our program. So you can see our program is verified. Now we can upload the program and move on to the circuit. So to see the output, we will have to open serial monitor. So on serial monitor you can see the output. It is showing humidity 38% and 25 degrees Celsius temperature, and it is printing the values after every 5 seconds of delay. So here we have, guys, we can use this temperature and humidity sensor for various applications. We can use with LCD. So instead of serial monitor, our temperature and humidity will be printed on LCD. So thank you for watching this video. Please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Adios.